afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another Elliott Wave Forecast video day. My name is Eric. Today is June 7th, around 7:30 New York times, and today we're gonna take a look at a long time frames chart of Google. Here in Elliott Wave Forecast, we analyze 78 instruments, and we always take a look at the market as a whole, and we analyze the instrument like there was only one market. We have made everything different compared to the other Elliott Wave participants in a way that we apply concepts like the one market only. We apply concepts like cycles, sequences, a lot of correlations. Then we add distribution and Elliott Wave. In today's video, we're going to take a look, like I say, at Google super cycle degree and grand super cycle degree. In the instrument, we are seeing these beautiful 5 weeks bands in the stock, right? In Google, we seeing these 5 weeks bands in which we believe that we're finishing the powerful wave 3. Now, talking about the one market only, this chart that we see now is the chart of the FTSE. A FTSE is a chart for England, and the FTSE, as you guys can see over here, it has a super cycle, grand super cycle degree that started saying over here, saying the zero line, and that it has a super cycle degree that started in 2009, like everyone else. Now, the first leg of the grand super cycle, or the super cycle in the FTSE took 73 months and ended in the peak of 2015. Now we are in the second leg that it should take more or less 78 months and take it all the way into the 2022 blue box over here, in which this two cycle, this one and this one, will be equal in time, but also these two blue degrees going to reach equal legs over here. So it's well known across our followers that we're looking for 2020, 2022 as a significant time in the market. Now over here we have the chart of the S&P, which also showing the grand super cycle in blue, and it has the cycle degree starting here in 2009, and it should reach 3196. Now, Google is part of the whole one market concept, right? Everybody by now should know that we're looking for 2020, 2022 peak, and we also looking for a super cycle degree among every single instrument, most of them since 2009 to end. This is the charts. This is the charts of Google over here. What does the chart showing to us? This is the 2009 super cycle degree in a very, very important advance, where we are the grand super cycle that started sometimes from zeros. That grand super cycle, or from around right here, the data goes to 2004 when it was 50. It has 1, 2, then the powerful wave 3. Many waves around the planet, like we've been repeating for years already, they've been fading a wave 3 among the global indices. In this way, we believe that the wave 3 or wave 3 ended over here sometimes early in this year. The stock did 3 weeks back and is starting to rally. We believe when we look, this is the monthly chart. When I look at Google, we use something that is called stochastic RSI or stochastic, in which an impulse is seen in these patterns. This is what we call a snake. That's an impulse. If we put the indicator here, we can see from here 1, 2, the powerful snake taking place, the wave 4, and then we see now that ended the wave 4 over here, and then we see now that we should make a new highs into the 2020 following FTSE when Google will reach around 1250, 1332. By then, we should get a decent pullback in that area and then another rally to the outside. This is a wave 3 in the making. This is a powerful wave 3 that is ending, and we've seen how Google is also part of the one market concept, how we using the FTSE incomplete sequence from the super cycle, the grid, gonna make Google makes new highs. Then FTSE reach 91.79 and Google will decline also. Very technical, very powerful, the way that we see in Google. And yes, buying the dips against the 966 sometimes later in this month or early July would be a good idea for another ride into the 250 1332 area. For now, that's the view on Google. And if you like the way we approach the market with all these new tools, sequences, times, cycles, distributions, correlations, the one market concept, and also applying Elliott Wave, join us. We provide a free 14-day trials. You can try. We cover 78 instruments across the world, and you guys gonna love the way that we see the market. Just you can pick one of the three main groups over here. If you guys can see, you can pick one of the three main groups. This one is based more than anything in Forex. This one a lot of indices, and this one is stocks ETF. Join us. It's free for 14 days, but you will be able to get a explanation like this about the market. But most important, you're gonna trade in the right side of the market most of the time. That's all for today. See you guys around soon with another video from Elliott Wave Forecast. Have a good day, everybody.